Want to make $60 a day using AI? Without coding, showing your face, or spending hours learning new skills? Then this video might just change your year. I'm about to show you 5 insanely powerful AI tools, and they're all free. People are already using them to create income streams, automate work, and build brands. Let's jump right in. Tool number 1, Opus Clip. It takes long videos and turns them into short, viral clips. Captions? Done. Zooms? Done. Hooks? All automated. Collaborated for YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikToks, even if you've never edited before. Tool number 2, ChatGPT. Most people just chat with it, but smart ones? They offer content writing, prompt packs, resume services, even full automation. You're not chatting. You're launching your own micro-agency. Tool number 3, MIDJOURNEY. Just type what you imagine, and MIDJOURNEY gives you stunning visuals. Posters, album covers, book art, even t-shirt designs, and people are making money from all of it. Choice 4, Notion AI. It's like a second brain. From notes to content calendars, life plans to client systems, it helps you organize everything. Students love it. Freelancers need it. Creators thrive with it. Tool number 5, CANVA with AI. Design thumbnails, resumes, carousels, logos with zero design experience. Canva's AI handles the layout, copy, colors, all drag and drop. Freelancers charge 500 rupees to 5,000 rupees per project using Canva alone. So, which one will you try first? Tell me in the comments. And if you want full tutorials, just write "Show me." Subscribe if you're serious about building an AI-powered income. Because this isn't just a video, it's your first step toward a new future.